Hello children, welcome to the online classes. This is second standard English, third lesson grammar points. Okay, happy days always. The name of the lesson is happy days always. All of you open your textbook, page number 35. Okay, page number 35. In the previous period you have studied already masculine gender, feminine gender, then sound of C. The letter C in the word sounds like K. This is called hard C sound. The first letter C in the word sounds like S. This is called soft C sound. Okay. Then we have studied compound words. Compound words are made by joining two words. The meaning of the compound word is usually different from the two words used to create it. Okay. The next one is masculine gender and feminine gender. A noun that refers to a male is a masculine gender noun. Example: brother, grandfather, uncle. Okay. A noun that refers to a female is a feminine gender noun. Sister, auntie, mother, grandmother, okay, wife, princess, so on. This like you have already studied masculine gender noun and feminine gender noun. Now, today we will start exclamation mark. Read the following sentences from the lesson. Hello Marjorie, laughed a merry voice. I did not want to wake up, cried Marjorie. Notice this one symbol in each sentence. It is called exclamation mark. We use an exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings. Strong feelings such as surprise, anger or joy. Surprise, anger or joy. Okay, come to the next page. Page number 36. Rewrite these sentences using an exclamation mark. Then read them aloud to express the strong feelings. Stop. Be careful. Give here one comma. Stop. After the stop word you give one comma. Be careful. You write here exclamation mark. The second one, what a beautiful house. Say this one properly. What a beautiful house. Okay. Surprise sentence this is, so you have to give here exclamation mark. We won the match. We won the match. Give here exclamation mark. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Give here exclamation mark. Okay children. Next one. Read the following sentences from the lesson. Merry Chuckle tells Marjorie, when you awaken in the morning, say aloud, oh, what a lovely, happy day this is going to be. Merry Chuckle is teaching Marjorie to think positive. See here children, already you have studied in that lesson, everyone, it should be think positive. In every morning, in every day, we should always think positive things only. We do not think negative, okay, negative things. Look at these pictures and say what positive things you learn from them. Already one they have done. The boy helps his mother in buying vegetables. This is the picture. The boy helps his mother. in buying vegetables. Their family eats vegetables every day. Yes, because they have purchased so many types of vegetables. It is important to eat healthy every day. Yes, already you know this one. Good health. Eat good food. Eat good food. Get healthy body. Okay. The next one picture. What should you identify? What should you think? Positive things. Okay. See here. The second picture is showing us the children are helping. The children are helping clean the neighborhood. The children are helping clean the neighborhood. In your surrounding, if there is some dirty, it means garbages. You have to clean your surrounding area. Okay. The children are very helpful. See here. These are the children. They are very helpful. They are helping each other also. They are doing their works one by one. See here. The children care about the environment. They are caring for the environment. You will also care for your surrounding area. On that time only it will be clean. Otherwise it will be dirty. The next picture. The child and the lady. The child and the lady are crossing the road at the zebra crossing. The child and the lady are crossing the road at the zebra crossing. They follow the traffic rules. They are following the traffic rules. When you are going on the road, on that time you will also go on the zebra crossing. Then you have to follow the traffic rules also. If you do not follow the traffic rules, you have to find the money to police. Okay. The child is holding the lady's hand. The child is holding the lady's hand. He is not crossing the road alone. Why? Because he is, see here, dumb. See here, the child is holding the lady's hand. He is not crossing the road alone. Then the fourth one is the students are all neatly dressed. This is the school and this is the classroom. He is teacher. These are the children. The students are all neatly dressed. The students are listening to the teacher with concentration. The students are listening to the teacher with concentration. The students are raising hands and waiting for their turn to answer. The students are raising hands and waiting for their turn to answer. Okay, children. Next, come to the next page. This is the picture composition. This is the park. This is the park. See here. So many children. Every Sunday they are going to park. Okay. In the park so many playing things are there. Playing things are there. Which thing they play to like? Which thing they play to like? See here. So many children are playing in the park. One pond will be there. One boy is catching the fish. One boy is catching the fish. See here. One lady is there. See here. The child is holding the lady's hand. Okay, the child is going to with her mother. They are watching what he is doing. He is catching the fish. Then here two children are playing. Two children are playing a football. See here, one man is click the photos. Here one boy is paint the picture. He draws some picture. Then he has given color or he has given paint. See here, one boy was riding the bicycle. Here two children are playing badminton. Here two children are running. They are running. Okay, see here. This is a park. So many playing things are here. Which you want to like to play, you do that. When you are going to the park on that time, you want to play your choice. Okay, which you like to play, that game you have to play. Next, listen and answer. Listen to the story and tick the correct picture to answer these questions. With whom did Meera plant the flower plants? Grandmother. Second one, what is grandmother using to fill the pot with soil? Small spade. Grandmother using to fill the pot with soil. Small spade. Meera plant the flower plants with grandmother. What is the color of the watering can? Green. The color of the watering can is green. What color flowers did the plant have? The plant have yellow color flowers. The plant have yellow color flowers. Okay, children. Copy these in your textbook neatly. Write these also. Today we have completed the lesson number 3. Happy days always, lesson and their grammar points. After I will send you these question answers. Write in your school notebook properly. Read the lesson 2 times and observe the videos also more than 2 times. On that time only you have to understand the lesson. Okay. Then grammar points. Okay. Take care. Bye.